too much. And here we go.
Sheesh. That was insane.
We got stuck right here.
We'll have to hop out.
Now it's can we get so muddy? It's stuck so fast. See how long the river goes. Holy. I got all over my window. I can really see now.
There's another one.
That's freaking insane.
This is crazy. Luke, make a video.
Watch the spike.
What do you think I'm doing?
Luke, make a video.
What do you think I'm doing?
Okay,
Watch
sorry.
this guy.
Oh, that's awesome.
Oh, I got like stuck.
We're just having fun.
Crazy. Look, he's like, what's going on? Why are you guys so happy? Think something so cool. The river stopped.